I wanted to go ahead and do this tutorial a little bit different than I normally do them. Normally they're zoomed in, and I wanted to do one from a little bit farther away. If you guys like this format, let me know in the comments so I can do more like this, but I'm just kind of trying new things to see how you guys like it. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this look that I've already done on this side. We'll finish out the face and I'll do the lips. So I already have my base on. I used Sandstone Pearl, which is just a neutral yellow-based nude that helps to even out the skin tone and make everything even. It gets rid of the little veins and the discoloration in your lid. Next, I'm gonna use Natural Tan, which this came out recently in the Smoky Neutrals collection, but I have not had time to post my review of it. Oops. So all I'm doing here is I'm just blending this into the crease a little bit above and below with just a fluffy blending brush. This is normally a lot bigger than what I would use in my crease, but because this is kind of a transition color, it's gonna be in a bigger area. Next, I'm gonna grab Americano. This is a warm tone brown that came out in the, which collection did it come out in? Oh my gosh. Cafe collection. It came out in the Cafe collection. I'm losing my mind, it's fine. We are gonna use this in the crease with a fluffy blending brush. This is gonna give everything that kind of like gold tone. I like to start in the outer corner of the crease and then blend into the actual V of the crease. The most concentrated product will be out here in the outer corner, and it's going to create that illusion of depth that we're trying to create. And I'm going really onto the lid here, like this is kind of leaning towards a smoky eye. This eye look is actually pretty simple. I mean, I know that's easy for me to say because I do this for like my full-time living, but I think any of you guys can recreate this even with products you already have at home. I'm just going back with that neutral matte cream based color, the Sandstone Pearl I used at the beginning. I guess I'd already used it, but I'm just going back and blending this into the inner corner and the lid to give an area where it's going to be a little bit lighter once I put that glitter on, but it's not really a full halo, so we're not making it like super crazy or anything. This is just giving the glitter like a base since we really haven't put any product there, and some of it's gotten covered up by darker colors. Now this is my favorite technique for glitter. I'm gonna take, where is it? I'm gonna take a little piece of wax paper, and then I'm gonna take my two glitter shades and put them on the wax paper. So I already have some product on there from what I used earlier, but I'm gonna be putting, this is, what is this? Radiant Gold Glitter and Rose Gold Glitter, one of my faves. I'm gonna be putting these onto this sheet, and I will try to hold it up for you guys to see it. Okay, so what I do is I put it on the wax paper like this, and then I'm gonna rub it with my finger like this, and it's basically going to leave just the glitter on my hand, and I'll show you guys how intense it is. But this gives you a way to create like a really highly pigmented glitter look. Look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my lid, focusing on the center area and then blending out into that lower crease area. Blending out into the inner corner area. Now don't worry if you guys get glitter on you. Glitter fallout is kind of inevitable just because glitter gets everywhere, but I'm gonna show you guys how I deal with it. I like this technique because it kind of gives like a metallic look with the glitter instead of just like a shimmery look, if that makes sense. First things first, make sure you wipe this off your hand or else you're gonna get it everywhere. Now we're gonna do the wing. I think this is what scares a lot of people. One big tip I have is to use tape to align. If you're doing like a dramatic wing like this helps a lot. I actually just keep a roll of tape like in my makeup area because I use it so often for random things. Okay, you're gonna take this and we're gonna follow the natural slope of our eye to create this wing. So I'm gonna look at both sides. We want it going out towards the eyebrow, adjust as needed. Now I am going to be using the Kat Von D tattoo liner. This is what I've always used since I was like in high school, and I find it the easiest to use because it's a felt tip and I prefer felt tip. So we're gonna go in and start with that outer line. I like to start against the tape. It's so nerve-wracking doing this on camera, you guys. Can't talk and do this at the same time. You are gonna wanna wipe the tip of this off as you go because we're using a cream-based shadow. It can kind of clog the tip of some of these liners, especially where there's glitter. Okay, so hooded eye ladies, you guys see how if my eyes are open all the way and my wing doesn't look like straight across, it's because my eyelids are there. So we're actually gonna draw across that part. with our eyes open so we can see where that crease is. And you'll notice that it creates like a little V like this. So we're gonna go ahead and fill that V in. So this is just how you have to do it if you have hooded eyes. If you don't have hooded eyes, you're lucky. Now I'm hoping that these are pretty even. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take the tape off, and I'm actually gonna use the same piece of tape. Oh yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna use this same piece of tape to get any of the glitter fall out from underneath my eyes. It just picks it right up. Boom. Now that we have that part done, we can actually do the lower lash line, which I'm gonna go in just with the Americano again and give it a little shade down there. Throw a little shade, you know. I'm just using a flat shading brush for that. Now it's time to tightline and throw on mascara before I do my lashes. This is just going to make the lashes blend in better with my natural lashes. Tightlining is essentially going on the waterline on the top and the bottom. I like to go 3/4 of the way for every day, I like to do 1/3 of the outer eye for normal everyday use, but when I'm doing more bold looks, sometimes I'll go all the way around like I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna throw on a coat of mascara. This is gonna help the lashes to blend in as well. Now I'm just gonna throw on my lashes. If you guys need a tutorial on how to apply fake lashes, I'm gonna link my YouTube video down below. I have like a step-by-step tutorial there that you guys can check out. Okay y'all, now that I have the eye look done, I'm gonna go finish off the rest of my face and I'll show you guys the final look. And here is the final look. I'm wearing Plumeria Lip Sense with the new Pink Prism Gloss. Let me know what you guys think. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scout.